Today we are going to study the property of angle bisector of triangles. First, I draw a triangle PQR. Then I use compass, draw angle bisector. First, I draw angle PQR bisector. Next angle PRQ. Use a compass to draw the bisector of PRQ. Next angle is QPR. Use compass to draw bisector of QPR and use compass. These three bisectors pass through the same point, that is, they are concurrent. Name the point of concurrence I. I draw perpendicular from this point on three sides. And name the point A, B, C. IA, IB, IC from the sides of triangle to be points of intersection. IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. You can also draw an intercircle at the point I. Bisector of triangle are concurrent. I is in center. The property of perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. Now I have used a compass and scale to draw a perpendicular bisector on each side of the triangle. First, I draw perpendicular bisector on length YZ. Second bisector, draw on length XZ. And third perpendicular bisector, draw on length XY. Now you can see that all the three bisectors intersect at the same point. From this point, we can draw circumference circle. This point is the center of the triangle. In this construction, we learn two properties. First property is the angle bisector of triangle are concurrent. Second, the perpendicular bisectors of sides of a triangle are concurrent. याचा अर्थ असा होतो, त्रिकोणाच्या कोणांचे लंबदुभाजक हे एकसंपाती असतात व त्रिकोणाच्या बाजूंचे लंबदुभाजक हे एकसंपाती असतात. Their point of congruence is called the circumcenter. C is the circumcenter. संपात बिंदूलाच परिमध्य किंवा परिकेंद्र असेही म्हणतात. In next video, we will learn how to draw triangle in different way. Before constructing any building, the structure of the building is first drawn on paper. We will now study 4 types of triangle structure to form a triangle with 3 sides. First, to construct a triangle given the length of its 3 sides. म्हणजे 3 बाजूंची मापे दिली असता त्रिकोण काढणे. उदाहरणार्थ, draw triangle XYZ such that XY is equal to 6 cm, YZ is equal to 4 cm and XZ is equal to 5 cm. I have extracted the rough figure by studying the example. Segment XY of length 6 cm is drawn as the base. Draw XY 6 cm used to scale. Write points X and Y. The compass was then space 5 cm. And draw one arc. Then compass space 4 cm. Draw the second arc to cut the first arc. And highlighting both intersection, name the point Z. After naming the point, draw segs X and YZ. Write all measurement, all sides of triangle. Triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Solve 5 questions. Practice set 2. या प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2 मध्ये 3 बाजूंची मापे दिली असता त्रिकोण कसे काढायचे त्याचे प्रश्न आहेत ते आपण सोडवायचे आहेत. After this, we are going to study the structure of the second triangle. To construct a triangle given 2 sides and the angle included by them. म्हणजेच 2 बाजूंची मापे व त्यातील समाविष्ट कोन दिला असता त्रिकोण काढणे. For example, draw triangle PQR such that length PQ is equal to 5.5 cm, measure cone P is equal to 50 degree and length PR is equal to 5 cm. A rough figure has been drawn showing the given information. Angle P is an acute angle and that is shown in the rough figure 2. According to the rough figure, sec PQ form the base of length 5.5 cm. And name PQ and measure is 5.5 cm. Since angle P is measure of 50 degree, in example, draw ray PG of 50 degree using protractor. Took the measurement 50-degree marking on paper, then draw from point P ray that given point. Ray PG is drawn so that measure angle GPQ is 50-degree. Took a distance of 5 cm in the compass. Place an iron top of compass on the point and draw an arc to cut ray. And name point P. Join points QP. Triangle PQR is the required triangle. Solve practice set 3, questions 4. Now we have to study third structure. Draw a triangle when two angles and the sides include are given. म्हणजेच दोन कोन व त्यातील समाविष्ट बाजू दिले असता त्रिकोण रचना करणे. Construct triangle XYZ such that length YX is 6 cm, angle ZXY is 30 degree and angle XYZ is 100 degree. Here XYZ is an obtuse angle that is shown in the rough figure. According to the rough figure, draw sec YX as base of the length 6 cm and name it YX. Since Y is measure of 100 degree in example, drawn ray YR of 100 degree using protractor. And draw a ray RY such that measure angle XYR is equal to 100 degree. On the same side of sec YX as point R, draw ray XD so that measure angle YXD is equal to 30 degree. Name the point of intersection of rays YR and XZ. Triangle XYZ is required triangle. See how an identical triangle can be drawn on the other sides of base. Homework is practice set 4, question 1 to 4. Now we have studied fourth structure. Draw right angle triangle when given the hypotenuse and one side of right angle triangle. To construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. म्हणजेच कर्ण व एक बाजू दिले असता काटकोन त्रिकोण काढा. For example, draw triangle LMN such that measure angle LMN is equal to 90 degree, hypotenuse is 5 cm and MN is 3 cm. We know that triangle with a right angle is called a right angle triangle. In such a triangle, the side opposite that right angle is called the hypotenuse. Let us draw the rough figure using the given information. Rough figure, measure angle LMN is equal to 90 degree. We draw right angle triangle approximately and mark the right angle. Thus, we show the given information in the rough figure. As shown in the rough figure, draw the base sec MN of length 3 cm. At point M of sec MN, draw ray MT to make an angle 90 degree to use protractor. Take 5 centimeter, measure in a compass. Draw an arc to cut seg MT and L. Triangle LMN is required triangle. Name all points and measurement all sides.